Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to create a viral nostalgic photo trend with your younger self. It's perfect for TikTok and Instagram. And we will be using Google Gemini with its brand new Nano Banana powered image tool. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or you can open it with app app versions. And then just log in with your Google account. It's super quick and super easy. And next, just tap on create image to access Nano Banana, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is the latest Google feature that lets you instantly edit or generate photos just by typing a prompt. Now just upload your photo. This will be the picture of yourself today and the picture of your younger self. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. Like this. And here's the fun part. Let's type a prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like this. Like this. You can just copy my prompt, but feel free to copy my prompt, or you can also customize the details to your styles, maybe change the background, mood or lighting. Just tweak your prompt as you like. Next I will just type I will just Next I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it, and when you're done just tap on generate. And okay, like this. In just a few moments, now you have got your own nostalgic photo with your younger self, and it looks super emotional, super aesthetic, and perfect for going viral on TikTok trends. And okay, that's it. A simple, powerful way to create your own viral nostalgic photo using Gemini Nano Banana. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.